In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speeds on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. If your downloads are taking forever, follow these steps to speed things up. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and search for Settings. Inside Settings, click Network and Internet on the left. Click Wi-Fi. Select your active internet connection from the list. Scroll down until you see Metered Connection. Make sure this option is turned off, because metered connections limit your download speeds. Solution 2. Open the Start menu and search for Data Usage. Click Data Usage Overview. Scroll down and click Data Usage again. You'll now see a list of apps and how much network data they've consumed. If you see apps you don't need, uninstall them. They may be running in the background and slowing down your network. After removing unnecessary apps, close the window and test your download speed again. Solution 3. Open the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it. In the top right corner, set View By and select Large Icons. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings on the left. Right-click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and select Properties. Scroll down and click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Select Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and type: Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then close all windows. Solution 4. Flush DNS Cache. Open the Start menu, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator and press Yes. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. This clears your DNS cache and can improve speed instantly. Solution 5. If you are using any kind of VPN, disconnect it. VPNs can dramatically slow down download speeds, especially on shared or busy servers. Try your download again. Your speeds should now be much faster. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.